how to trade futures on Binance. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can trade futures on Binance, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now in order to trade futures on Binance, you need to have a Binance Pro interface, right? So make sure you switch to Binance Pro, and right at the bottom you'll find an option where it says futures. Now this is the main hub where we can start futures trading. Let's look at the top of the interface. First is USDM. There you'll be able to see the BTC and USD value in this case. Then you can go to CoinM. Here also pretty much the same. Then if you go to options, you'll be able to do some options trading, bots, and you'll be able to do some copy trading over here as well. And this is basically just a small interface. Now the thing that you have to understand over here is that you can choose between USDM and CoinM for future contracts, right? So you can just select this option. So I'll just go ahead and exit this first. You can select any of these. Then you can select a futures contract, right? After you do that, you can use the price chart to actually identify potential trading setups. Then you can actually select your margin mode and choose between cross and isolated from here. Then you can click on confirm, select a leverage. You can set the limit orders, market orders, or other orders. Now you can also use the Binance futures calculator by logging into your account and coming to the futures tab here, and then just clicking the calculator option in this case. And Binance also has many video guides, by the way, but this is the simple way to do some futures trading. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.